Hello students, welcome to 8th standard. Now we are going to the topic English second paper voice. Okay, what is meant by voice? Okay, this voice refers to the form of the verb that indicates whether the door of an action is the subject or object in a sentence. Okay, this voice, two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. What is meant by active voice? What is meant by active voice? Active voice means what a person or thing does. The subject performs the action, verb on the object. Okay, the subject performs the action, verb on the object. Okay, this active voice, the structure subject, verb, object, subject, verb, object. Okay, see, the subject performs the action. Swati ate an apple. This Swati is a name of the person. Subject, ate, action, verb, next an apple, object. Okay, what is meant by active voice? The subject performs the action, verb on the object. Okay, see, next, what is meant by passive voice? What is meant by this passive voice? Passive mind tells what is done to someone or something. Okay, what is done? Okay, this passive voice structure subject, object, verb, subject, object, verb, verb, subject. Okay, see, an apple was eaten by Swati. But an apple was eaten by Swati. Okay, an apple is a subject, was eaten, verb, by Swati. Swati is a object. Okay, see, this is a passive voice. Okay, one more example, active voice. Active voice, see, one more example. Anna painted the house. Anna painted the house. This sentence, in this sentence, Anna is a subject. Okay, Anna is a subject. Painted is a verb. Okay, the house is a object. Okay, this is a active voice. Subject, verb, object. This is a active voice. Next, passive voice. One more example. The house was painted. The house was painted by Anna. Okay, the house is a what? Object. Okay, object. Painted action word is a verb. Next, Anna. By Anna is a subject. Okay, this active voice structure subject, verb, object, and passive voice structure object, verb, subject. Okay, did you understand, students? See, this voice, the two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. Now the few steps of passive voice. Okay, few steps in a passive voice. First, identify first a subject, object plus verb. Okay, few steps. Okay, few steps. First, see, subject plus object plus verb. This one. Okay, second one, subject plus verb. This is a second step. Okay, first subject plus object plus verb is the first step. Second step, subject plus verb. This is a second step. This third step, verb 3. Verb 3 is a third step. What is meant by verb 3? Example, write. Example, write. Write, wrote, written. W-R-I-T-T-E-N. This, see, write, wrote, written. This written is a verb 3. Okay. Okay. Write, wrote, written. This written is a verb 3. Do you understand, students? Verb 3. This is a third step. This fourth step, helping verb. Okay. Helping verb before main verb. Okay. Before main verb. Okay. Helping verb before main verb. Okay. Next, fifth step, this is a fourth step. Fifth step, by before yes add preposition. Okay, by before add preposition, okay, this is a fifth step. Okay, these few steps you memory students. Okay, see, while changing subject which is a pronoun to object. Okay, see, one more important points, see, I become me, next, he become him, he becomes him, next, she become her, her, she become her, next, we become us. Okay, we become us, next, they become them, they become them. Okay, this while changing the subject which is a pronoun to object. Okay, I become me. Okay, this is a active voice. How will you change the passive voice? I become change to me, he will change to him, she will change to her, we they change to us, they change to them. Okay, next, see, add a proper helping verb of to be before main verb. Okay, this main verb write. Okay, see, add proper helping verb to be before main verb. See, example, write, this is a main verb, is a write. Okay, how will you change simple present tense, active voice, passive voice? Okay, see, simple present tense, how will you write active voice? Write, writes. Okay, how will you change the passive voice? Is or am or is written. Okay, written. Next, see, present continuous, how will you change the active voice? See, is, am or writing. Next, how will you change the passive voice? Is, am or being written. Okay, next, present perfect tense, how will you change the active voice? Have written. Next, passive voice, have been written. Next, simple past tense, active voice, how will you change? Wrote. Okay, wrote. Next, passive voice, was or were written. Next, past continuous, was or were writing. Next, was or were written. Okay, next, past perfect tense, means had written. Next, passive voice, had been written. Next, simple future tense, will write. Next, will be written. Next, future perfect tense, will have written. How will you change the passive voice? Will have been written. See, students, this only memory. Okay, this sentence, how will you change active voice, how will you change the passive voice? Thoroughly study this column. Okay, next, you come exercise, change into passive voice. Okay, change into passive voice. See, they paint the doors. Okay, this passive voice, how will you change? Main structure, object plus helping verb plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay, this is a important points, this is a important structure, study. Okay, how will you change the passive voice? Object plus helping verb plus verb 3 plus by plus yes subject. Okay, study. See, example, they paint the doors. The doors are painted by them. See, the doors. Okay, this is the object. Next, helping verb or next verb 3, painted. Painted. This verb 3. Next, by plus subject. How will you change? See, they. How will you change the passive voice? Them. Okay, see, we park the cars on the roadside. The cars or parked by us on the roadside. These are the example. Okay. See what is meant by voice, students? Voice refers to the form of the verb that indicates whether the door of an action, the subject or object in a sentence. Okay. Two kinds of voice, active voice and passive voice. What is meant by active voice? What is meant by active voice? See, tells the subject performs the action. Okay. Subject performs the action, verb on the object. Okay. What is meant by passive voice? Tells what is done to someone or something. Okay. What are the structure? Active voice, subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. What is passive voice? How will it change the structure? Object, verb, subject. Object, verb, subject. Okay. Next exercise C. How will you change the active voice to passive voice? Passive voice by the structure object plus helping verb plus verb 3. What is my verb 3? Example, write, wrote, written. This third past participle. This is a verb 3. Okay. Next, by plus subject. Okay. Do you understand, students? Thank you.